Daniel and Jade and Sarah and George, Luke and Jazz put forward absolutely stunning rooms that were executed to perfection.
Yep.
And, you know, all of them got ripped off.
Look at the paint job. Look at the paint job. Like, God love them, but how do they... I just don't understand how they love that, but then slam us.
There's not enough interest here to keep you engaged.
Last night's feedback.
Yeah, it was a bit...
We're a bit pissed off.
Yeah.
I really hate saying this. It's not grabbing us.
No.
When are we ever going to be good enough for you? That's how we feel.
Little bit.
We all know on an auction, you need more than one passionate buyer.
Yeah.
Bidding wars come from emotional draw cards and pulling at the heartstrings, which makes you empty your wallet irrationally. And this house may not actually get a buyer to do that.
Like, it just gets a bit disheartening every week. Everyone's won. At the end of the day, we're the only ones who haven't really won anything, and you're just starting to get over it.
They haven't won anything. Literally nothing.
You know what? We came here to have fun as well, and sometimes on Sundays it gets to that point where you just, man, you're not looking forward to Sunday nights. 8 weeks in a row, all we ever do is leave here being kicked in the teeth. It's hard.
My motto this week is the judges. I just think I'm really sick and tired of listening to their crap.
It's not only their pride that is taking a beating, it's also their budget. With no wins in the kitty, this week they've got a mere $580 on top of the $21,000 provided by Suncorp.
Our house is the biggest house as well. So you're talking about everyone getting the same budget, and our house, like, even this week, 21 grand, we had a 4.8 metre
Raked
ceiling. It's not easy.
I'm freaking out.
And the strain of juggling a meagre budget is taking its toll.
What's up?
If you stand at the TV wall and look to the windows, I need to see that measurement, how far it comes out from.
Isn't that what I just sent you?
No, you sent me as if your back's to the cabinetry.
Killing me, mate.
No, you're killing me, mate. Like, draw a line on the floor for me. Hang up on me.
He hung up on you.
Yeah, he hung up on me.
That's unlike George.
Someone's a bit cranky today.
And in house 2, the upstairs rooms are coming along nicely. But the constant stress of money worries is getting to George.
I am worried, because at the end of the day, you're trying to build a beautiful home, but, you know, if you're not winning rooms, it's hard.
At least he has a friend to confide in.
Just a vicious cycle.
It's a vicious cycle, mate.
Yeah, like, you know, you put the good stuff in,
Correct.
you pay, you don't
Correct.
win,
Correct.
and then you've got to go without, but you can put that stuff in.
That's
it's just,
it.
Yeah.
It's catch-22, isn't it? I'm not someone who really talks about my feelings, but I did speak to Corey, my builder, today, because he's like my brother, and I just asked for his advice. Sarah?
What's cracking?
I was just... No, not much, man. I was just... I had a bit of a chat and, you know, made some little points about, like... As much as we want to impress the judges and stuff like that, like, you know, we might not be able to kind of thing, do you know, with budget.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying? Like, you got to pay trades. That's the most important, because you got to build, right? And the budget's gone skis.
You all right, George?
Yeah, I am, man. I'm just a bit emotional today. I don't know what's wrong with me.
You right, babe?
Yeah, I'm all right. I'm all right.
He's all right. He's worked hard.
It's not about hard. We try. It's just hard. We try so hard, and it's like, frick, we always come up short. It's heartbreaking. So.
It's okay. You're all right.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. It takes such a strong person to do this show.
Yeah.
It's not easy, mate.